Have you ever gotten this error message in Premiere Pro and wondered, 1, why is this happening? And 2, how do I fix it? Well, today we're going to discuss why your media goes offline and how to get it back. Welcome back to another DCM Online Academy. Media can become unlinked in Premiere Pro for several reasons. The most common cause is that the original media files were moved, renamed, or deleted from their original location. It can also happen if an external drive containing the media is disconnected or if file paths changed between different computers. Premiere relies on those file paths to locate media, so any change to that path can cause media to appear offline, but we can fix it. To relink media in Premiere Pro, right-click on the offline clip in the timeline and choose Link Media. In the dialog box that appears, click Locate and navigate to the folder where the original file is stored. Select the correct file, then click OK to relink it. And that's it. Thanks for watching another DCM Online Academy, and tune in later for more tips with Premiere Pro.